Hello, Oprah Winfrey, Mark Burnett, and the Oprah viewers. My name is Tyron Mays. I'm a stylist, fashion editor, and makeup artist from New York City, the fashion capital of the world. And guess what? I want my own show. I want my show to be called Fashionista with Tyron Mays. But before I reveal what the show is about, let me tell you exactly what a fashionista is. A fashionista is that secret weapon that every celebrity has that whispers in their ear and tells them exactly what to wear, when to wear it, and how to wear it. Now, not everyone is fortunate enough to have a fashion stylist like myself at their disposal. Sometimes your fashionista is just your best friend that has a really great sense of style. And you know, us fashionistas, we know how to fill up your closet with great finds, help you make those choices that are perfect for your body and for your personality. And we know how to keep you on a budget. And a really good fashionista knows how to make you look like you've been shopping with a black card when actually you've just been running around with your Metro card. Now, I know that you don't know me. Let me fill you in on who I am. I have been a stylist for over 15 years. I've gotten a chance to travel all over the world. I have worked with some of the most prestigious publications in the industry. And I've gotten a chance to dress some of the most beautiful women and the most powerful women in entertainment, including you, Miss Winfrey. Now, back to the show, Fashionista with Tyron Mays. The purpose of the show is that it is going to be a videotorial, this moving magazine in which I can offer my service that I've been able to give to my celebrity clients directly to you, the viewer. I want to come into your home every day, 5 days a week, into your living room, and I want to become America's fashionista. I want to be America's stylist, and I want to help you solve those styling dilemmas. You know, and not only does it encompass just clothing. Being a fashionista means that you have a great sense of style when it comes to a little bit of everything. Come a little closer. I don't know if you know this, but style is the only substance you can actually legally abuse. And I want to help you turn your style meter to high. I want to help you learn how to style for your body type, accessorize for your size, and find that perfect shade of red. And guess what? I don't plan on doing this alone. I want to invite my style expert friends to come in and do home and audience makeovers that you can actually maintain yourself. But I can only do this if you do me a favor. You see that little green button there? The one that says vote? If you hit that and change my life, I promise that I will dedicate my show to unlocking all of the secrets of style, fashion, and beauty. Because why should celebrities and supermodels be the only ones in the know? And with America's fashionista on your side, you'll be in the know too. And together, we're going to polish up your pretty